Are you a BMW enthusiast looking to diagnose and repair your vehicle like a pro? Look no further than the FOXWELL NT510 Elite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the FOXWELL NT510 Elite, an all-in-one scan tool that's perfect for BMW owners. If you're looking for a scanner that goes beyond just reading OBD2 codes, this might be the tool for you. We're going to cover everything you need to know, from features, how to use it, and if it's worth adding to your toolkit. So let's jump right in. The FOXWELL NT510 Elite is a compact and powerful OBD2 scan tool that is specifically designed for BMW vehicles. But don't worry, it's also compatible with other car brands when you need it. It comes neatly packaged with a carrying case, user manual, and a USB cable for updates. Let's talk about what makes this scanner special. First off, it's more than just an OBD2 scanner. It offers full system diagnostics, which means you can check everything from the engine, ABS, airbag systems, to the transmission and more. Plus, it has special functions that BMW owners will love, like battery registration, DPF regeneration, brake deactivation, and even oil service reset. That's huge if you like to do maintenance yourself. Connecting the NT510 Elite is super simple. Just plug it into your BMW's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the steering wheel. The device powers on automatically and is ready to go. No need for batteries or charging. Once it's connected, you'll notice the easy-to-navigate interface. It's a full-color display with clear menus. You can select your vehicle model and start running diagnostics right away. It'll read codes, show live data, and even let you graph data for more detailed analysis. This is super helpful for pinpointing issues quickly. Now let's see it in action. Here, I'm reading error codes from this BMW. It's picked up a few fault codes. No worries, though. The NT510 Elite also gives you a brief description of each code, so you don't have to guess. And if you need more information, you can use the USB cable to update the device with the latest data straight from FOXWELL's website. That way, you'll always have the latest error code definitions. One of my favorite features is the ability to reset service lights, like the oil change reminder. Instead of going to the dealer, you can save time and money by doing it yourself. Just navigate to the Service Reset menu, select Oil Reset, and follow the prompts. Easy as that. Now, you might be wondering, why not just get a basic OBD2 scanner? Well, here's the difference. While a standard scanner will just give you generic engine codes, the NT510 Elite gives you full access to BMW-specific modules. That means you can dig deeper into issues with your air suspension, perform injector coding, and even activate hidden features. Let's talk pros and cons. For pros, you're getting an affordable, professional-level diagnostic tool with a ton of features. It's user-friendly, highly portable, and supports multiple car brands. Plus, FOXWELL offers free lifetime updates, which is a huge bonus. On the flip side, it's not the fastest scanner out there. And while it's easy to use, the menu system might take a bit of time to get familiar with if you're new to these types of tools. But honestly, that's a small learning curve for everything this tool can do. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, I put a link down in the description. And if you've got any questions about the FOXWELL NT510 Elite or any other scan tools, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tech reviews and tips. See you in the next video.